Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm here with a stash dive and kind of a long fold out triple folded pocket tuck kind of thing. So do you have as many of these old vintage music books as I do? Yeah, I want to use one today. And I'm thinking I'm also going to decorate a page in this new journal that I am decorating. And I'm thinking this one would be pretty. And this one matches. And this one, of course. So this is kind of a golden summer journal. And so this pretty gold would be pretty. But I love green and I really like this color. So I'm thinking maybe we'll use this one. What I want to do is use the cover and this inside for journaling. And I think let's use the back. Of course, you don't have to use this. You can use regular colored paper. You can even use just a pretty digital, a large digital print or a pretty scrapbook paper. All right, let's just fold this and then we'll tear it. Well, it folded there, so that's where it will get torn. All right, that was pretty easy. All right. Let's fold it here. And then fold it back. About like that. All right. Now I am thinking that we should reinforce this with some washi tape. Or what I like to use is this paper tape that's in the first aid aisle, the drugstore, or the Dollar Tree, or wherever else you might find it. It has a little bit of, you can see it, but it's really strong, and that's what I like. Okay, we're going to try to tear it to kind of maintain that torn edge. Okay, so there's that one. And then we need this one. So this is going to be the writing space. We're going to lose this much writing space because I want to gain the writing on this side. So now that's been reinforced, and let's put a little bit of okay, that's good. Okay, so this is going to be pretty easy, but let's Okay, so now we're going to glue it down this side and across the bottom, and that will attach it to the page. I've had a lot of questions recently about what glue I use. When I'm filming, I always use Fabri-Tac because it dries quick, it grabs, and so I don't have to wait for it. Okay, so here's our flip out. Can you see how that worked? Yep. So I just cut that off to make the right size, and then I just folded it over and then back. Well, let's make the pocket and then we'll decide. That's a good compromise. Okay, so this little pocket, well, it's a tuck really. I have a video called 2+1. It's in the playlist, The Art of Design. And then I have a second one also in the playlist for tag templates called The Power of 3. And it's just 3 essentially in both 2+1 and The Power of 3. It's just 3 design elements, and then you put it on a foundation, because 3 is such a magic number. So yes, you can use the tag templates for things other than tags. It's just kind of a design, a quick little recipe for a design. So I'll send you that to that playlist, either of them. Well, actually, go to the tag template, because I think the first one is the very first tag template, and then The Power of 3 is just kind of recently. So I'm going to glue that foundation down, because I do want to kind of emphasize golden in here. And then this is a sticker. If I can get the little almost, oh, these can be so, there it is. Okay, I love these vellum stickers, but my gosh, they can be so hard to get off. Then I'm just going to put this down here and hope that it went down straight. Yep, looks like it. Okay. Phew, that's good. And then I want to put another little thing added. Not sure which one. Not that one, I don't think. Maybe that. I kind of like this little scrap of something. That one. I think this one. Yeah, I do. Numbers are always good. There's something magical about numbers too when I'm collaging. I'm not sure what it is, but I like numbers. And I never want to extend lines like that. I always want to interrupt them. That's just me. Oh, and there's another line that I don't want to be. There we go. Okay. All right. So now we just have to decide whether to put it on here to make this a double kind of thing, or whether to move it over here. and make it here so that it flips out. I don't know. I always do a double thing, so maybe I'll just do this just because it would be different. Okay. All right. So that's cute, and then that flips, and now we just need to put something here, and we could do washi tape, we could do a number of things, but let's do this tray of clusters again. I showed you this the other day, and I think I like that one. It has blue, which is, you know, obviously a big part of the color scheme, but it also has this yellow that I like, and it extends this way, so I kind of like that. Actually, do we need to distress any of these edges? Possibly. Yeah, I like it. And then when this opens up, that's going to be on the back, so we need to distress this also. Want to glue it on in here. The temperature is so hot today. I hope some of you at least are cool somewhere in this country, because we're hot and we are generally cool. We're at 7,000 feet, and so we really ought to be cooler than we are. Okay, this is good. All right, now I've made this funny little smushed yeah, let's just fold that and stick that in here. And yeah, that might be kind of cute. Or something smaller, maybe. Anyway, you can see what I'm talking about. So we've got this, flips out, and there's plenty of room to journal. Then it extends out again. There's a tuck spot here, a tuck spot there, and I like that. Hey, thanks for being with me. I hope that's helpful, and I will see you again with a new project.